Hello everybody, this is Hemananda Mahanta. I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So my dear student, today we will study the first chapter of class 8, that is Ali made impossible possible. So before starting the topic, I would like to ask you a simple question. What impression came in your mind about Ali after reading the title of the story Ali made impossible possible? So पिला माने यार जो टाइटल Ali made impossible possible ये टाइटल को पढ़ी ना तुम मन में कौन सब आसी आली विषय कौन इंप्रेशन आसी ताको आमे नोट डाउन करबा तुम खाता रे. सो राइट डाउन ऑन योर नोटबुक. Ali must be a clever person, no doubt. Then he helps someone in this story. Okay, it may be possible. Then he solves any puzzle in this story. So these are the possible answers. Now let's move to the next slide. Look at here. तो पिला माने कहिबो who are there in the court. कोर्ट रे को माने सब अछंती तो माने फिल्म रे मूवी रे सब देखिथिबो कोर्ट रो सीन. सो मीट हिम, ही इज द जज, ही इज द लॉयर and he is the witness. Okay, so my dear student, तुम मान को गप भलो लगे मु जाने. So now I am going to tell you a story. This is the story of Ali. Ali विषय रे गोटे स्टोरी ठी अछि. तो once a thief was trying to steal a purse from a man. बोधे स्टोरीटा बुझी पारछ चित्र देखि एटा देखो गोटे चोरटा से चोरी करबा पई जाउछि. So once a man was busy with his phone. Hello, how are you brother, are you coming? Then the thief thought it's the perfect time, I will steal his purse. But unfortunately there were the three witnesses. Who were the witnesses of the incident? Then the three men shouted together, thief, thief, catch him. Then the thief thought, oh no God, I have to run fast. Then the thief run faster and faster. But the thief was arrested by a policeman. Then the thief requested, sir, sir, trust me, I have not stolen the purse. Sir, please trust me. Then the inspector told, hey, this is Inspector Chulbul Pandey, so don't try to be smart. Then finally the thief was sent to police custody. On the day of the trial come, the man whose purse was stolen had a lawyer and the three witnesses. Pilamane bujhi parlo? Then meet the lawyer. He is saying, I can handle the case, I am a famous lawyer. Then these are the witnesses. We are the witnesses, let's go to the court. पिलामाने तो मने थिबो सेठी तीनटा विटनेस थिले बट 3 जण आछंती कोन पई बिकॉज़ the third witness had some problem, so he could not come. Which one? Next. During the time of the trial, the judge asked first question to the first witness. The first witness को question पचारिले judge. Who is the judge? से पचारुछंती प्रथम प्रश्न. When the theft committed, is it day or night? केउ समय चोरी हेइथिला? Then the first witness replied, it was day my lord. प्रथम witness answer देले कोन आंसर दउछंती, it was the day. Then the judge asked the second question to him, how many persons were there during the time of the theft? Okay, केते जण थिले सेठी तो आंसर कोन देले, the first witness replied, 5 your honor. Then the judge asked the third question to him, what is the color of the stolen purse? And what was the answer? The first witness replied, black your honor. Okay, कौन आंसर दिले ना black. Now the judge called the second witness into the witness box. ताकू इस सब क्वेश्चन से पूछारिबे. He asked, what was the theft, sorry, when was the theft committed, was it day or night? The second witness replied, it was night my lord. Okay, then the judge asked the next question, how many persons were there during the time of the theft? Then he answered, 25 my lord. Then the judge asked third question to him, what was the color of the stolen purse? Then the second witness replied, white your honor. Okay, then the judge looked disagree after listening the replies from both the witnesses. Why, you can tell me? because they are different from each other, isn't it? Then the judge told, you are going to lose the case. The time is over. Trial is suspended to tomorrow. Let's see what happened tomorrow. Then the lawyer reached his home with terribly upset. He was very upset because he thought, I cannot win the case. And there was a cook whose name was Ali. And he asked his master, what happened, sir? You are looking upset. Ali wanted to know the reason behind his master's sadness. The cook listened the case carefully from the lawyer. There is no hope of saving the case. No need to sending the third witness, replied the lawyer. Then Ali told, take me as the third witness. I can save the case. Then lawyer looked relaxed and asked him, do you think, Ali? But you are just a cook. What would you do? Then Ali replied, you know I am a good cook. I also cook the judge. On the next day in court, when was the theft committed? Was it day or night? Judge asked first question to Ali. Then Ali replied, sir, you may call it a day or you may call it night. In fact, it was the meeting time of the day and night. I mean, it was the evening. Okay. एटी आली कौन कहूँ ना से समय दिन थिला ना ही रात थिला. इट मीन्स कौन समय थिला ना ताहा इवनिंग. ओके, इवनिंग व संध्या समय रे चोरी हिथिला. एंड द जज एग्री विथ द स्टेटमेंट. देन ही आस्क्ड सेकंड क्वेश्चन टू Ali, हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स आर देयर ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ द थेफ्ट? चोरी समय केते जण थिले? देन व्हाट वाज द स्मार्ट आंसर फ्रॉम Ali? You can say 5 or 25, your honor. Then the judge asked how. Then Ali replied smartly, actually when the theft was committed there were only 5, but slowly it increased up to 25. Okay, पिलाने बुझी पालिलो ना? Then the judge agreed with Ali and asked him the last question. Last question कौन पचारुछंती? Last question पचारुछंती, प्रश्न करुछंती. What was the color of the purse? What was the color of the purse? Then Ali replied, you can call it black or you can call it white. Can you guess, my student, how? केमती ही थिबा परि तुमे भाबो टिके. Then the judge asked, how? Then Ali replied, the purse was black from outside but white inside, your honor. The judge smiled an unusual smile and nodded his head with full agreement. And he told, I agree with you, you are right. Now you own the case. The thief was punished by the law. Okay. Now my dear student, open your English notebook, English textbook and read out the whole text. The whole SCP 1, 2 and 3 silently for the 20 minutes. This is SCP-1. While reading, please pause my video and underline the difficult words, new words which you face difficult and write down them in your notebook. जो वर्ड गुड़ा तुम नुआ बा डिफिकल्ट से गुड़ा तुम्हें नोटबुक रे लिखो, तुम खाता रे लिखो. ओके, सो दिस इज SCP-1, SCP-2. तुम साइलेंट प्रथम पढ़ 15 मिनट, देन लिखिबो. ओके पिला, एथि किसी डिफिकल्ट वर्ड पाइल जो गोटे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड से गुड़ा तुम मेंशन करिवो तुम खाता रे. सो न्यू वर्ड्स एंड देयर यूजेस देखिबा. ठीक, जमते स्टील ए न्यू वर्ड, इट मीन्स टेकिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम समवन विदाउट इन्फॉर्मिंग हिम, चोरी करिबा जहा कुआ जाय. देन ट्रायल मीन्स फॉर्मल मीटिंग इन लॉ कोर्ट, अदालत रो विचार ता कुआ जाय ट्रायल. देन पोस्टपोन, पोस्टपोन फिलान तुम एग्जाम पोस्टपोन हेछि, जानि परछना पोस्टपोन माने होछि शिफ्टिंग ए न्यू टाइम शेड्यूल, घुंचाइबा जोटा कुआ जाय पोस्टपोन. देन पिलान तो किछि कहबा पाइ चाहूछि, यहाँ व्यतीत आउ किसी भी वर्ड्स से जार माने तुम जानि नथिबो तो ताकू तुम सर्च करि पारिबो. यू डिक्शनरी तुम डाउनलोड करिवो प्ले स्टोर रु. वेरी यूजफुल एप्स. सो नाउ कंप्रिहेंशन एक्टिविटी को हम देखिबा. नाउ मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर इन द स्टोरी इज डेस कहल पिला माने द जज द लॉयर आली और द विटनेस कौन हम आंसर हम आली ओके कि कारण हूँ तुम टाइटल ही हूँ आली मेड इम्पॉसिबल पॉसिबल तुम टाइटल भी जापर और जो तुम स्टोरी को भल भाव पढ़ी तुम जापर जे आली इज द मोस्ट important character in this story. So now let's move to the second question. 3 witnesses except Ali death were present in the time of the theft, were not present in the time of the theft, were present in the court, were not present in the court. So पिला माने guess करो कौन टा आंसर होगा. Choose the right answer. 3 witnesses except Ali death. Ali व्यतीत 3 जन witnesses कौन को थे were present in the time of the theft? Yes. Option A were present in the time of the theft. Ali व्यतीत समस्ते present थे. Okay. Now let's move to the third question. The first question was answered by days. The first witness as night, the second witness as day, Ali as both day and night, both the witnesses as night. So option C was right answer. Ali as both day and night. Similarly, question number 4. The second question was answered by dash. Option A, the second witness as 5. Option B, the first witness as 25. Option C, Ali as 5 and 25. Option D, second witness as 5 and 25. Choose the right option. Okay, option C is the right option. Ali as 5 and 25. Last question. The judge nodded his head at the end, showing dash, half agreement, no agreement, full agreement, or indifference. What answer over here? होई परिबो very easy. C is the correct option. Okay. Now I have some written work for you. Now write down the answer of the following question. तो यार आंसर तुम्हें लिखिबो निजो खाता बाहर करो खाता रे बाहर किना सेठी लिखिबो. तो first question होची how many characters are there in the story, who and who are they. Then second, what was the judge's second question. Then third, what did Ali say to the lawyer after listening the matter. Okay, घटना को सुनिया परे Ali कौन तो मास्टर को कौन कहला बा से लॉयर को कौन कहिछि ताको तुम लिखो मेंशन करिवो. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Then what was the Ali's answer to the first question and what was the was the judge satisfied. If satisfied, then how. Okay, how do you know? So these are the 5 questions. Write down in your notebook. I have a challenge for you. Think and write means एटी भाबिबो आ लिखिबो. तो तुम पे गोटे मु चैलेंज देछि. तो क्वेश्चन टा होछि what could be happened if there would be the third witness in the place of Ali. Think about the situation and write down in your notebook. Okay, so write down on your notebook. माने बुझि पालो पिला एटी तुम निजर मत दब तुम ये क्रिएटिविटी तुम ये तुम प्रमाण दब. ओके, सो स्टोरी को आगू बढ़ेबो. व्हाट वुड वी हैपन बुझि पारथिबो इफ देयर वुड बी द थर्ड विटनेस इन द प्लेस ऑफ आली. जदि से स्थान रे आली न जाई कि थर्ड विटनेस जे से स्थान रे प्रेजेंट थिले से जाई थानते से कोन आंसर दे थानते ताका आंसर कोन हि थानता और से क्षेत्र से वकील बस जो लॉयर से केसटा को जीति थानते बा जीति न थानते ता तुमर मत अछि तुम दबो. देन देखि सारिबा परे कोन करियो पिला माने तुम जे इंग्लिश टीचर जो माने इंग्लिश तुमको पढ़ांती तांको पाकु तुम व्हाट्सएप रे तुम आंसर को सेंड करिवो. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द आंसर ऑफ द ऑल द क्वेश्चंस सेंड देम टू योर टीचर्स इंग्लिश टीचर और यू कैन फॉरवर्ड योर आंसर टू माय व्हाट्सएप नंबर जोटी दिया आइछे 7978610620. ओके, देन माय फाइनल रिक्वेस्ट पिला माने मो वीडियो को तुम देखिलो. वीडियो देखला परे प्रत्येक वीडियो को तुम लाइक करिवो और मो यूट्यूब चैनल को तुम माने सब्सक्राइब करिवो. ओके, और फॉर मोर स्टडी मटेरियल यू कैन विजिट माय टेलीग्राम पेज. रहउची, थैंक यू.